Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. On today's recipe, I will be showing you guys how to make this quick and easy honey garlic chicken bite recipe. These are absolutely delicious. But before I show you guys how it's done, please take a second to subscribe if you are new to my channel and like this video if you enjoy it, and let's get started. Okay guys, here's what you need to make today's recipe. All of the ingredients will be found in the description box below. I am starting with 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, about a 1/4 cup of honey, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Make sure to use the low sodium soy sauce. Also, you will need about 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, and for my seasoning I am using onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, a little bit of Italian seasoning, salt, and pepper. Last but not least, you will need 2 chicken breasts, alright? And I'm so sorry if you guys can hear my background right now. It's currently raining. Shall we begin? Let's get started. Okay guys, to begin, I am going to cut my chicken breast into bite-sized pieces, very small, all right? Once you're done cutting your chicken into bite-sized pieces, you are going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil on there, just enough for the seasoning to stick on there, all right? Now I am going to grab my seasoning, just sprinkle it all over the chicken breast, and I am using my hands to make sure to rub that seasoning in. Now that we're done seasoning our chicken breast, we're going to cook it. To a skillet, I am going to add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Once that is nice and hot, I am using olive oil, by the way. You're going to place your chicken breast in there. I am going to be cooking the chicken breast for about 3 to 4 minutes per side. Once one side is nice and golden brown, I am going to flip it over and cook the other side. Now, once my chicken is nice and cooked, I am going to remove it. Look how beautiful, look how delicious it's looking so far. Okay, I'm going to set it aside, and the same skillet, I am going to add my 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Once that is nice and melted, I am going to be cooking or frying my minced garlic. Okay. Now I'm going to cook the garlic for about 30 seconds. Once it's nice and fragrant, I am going to pour in my honey as well as the soy sauce. Be aware to use a low sodium soy sauce because this can turn out really salty real quick, okay? Now is the perfect time for me to add the chicken. I am going to pour that in, mix it up with the sauce. Make sure to put your heat on low at this point. Just let it simmer for a few minutes. As it's simmering, the sauce is getting thicker, and yeah, this is basically the recipe. You can pour this over some rice, some broccoli, and of course the flavor is giving what it's supposed to be giving. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. You hear me? Thumbs it up for me, please. That helps me a lot. So please give it a thumbs up. And also subscribe if you're new here. Join the family so you don't miss out on these amazing recipes. I will see you guys on the next recipe. Bye.